Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Taking control of your privacy is a hot topic right now. Android and iOS have permission settings so you can control which apps have access to your information. And now, Microsoft's improving this in Windows 11. It's testing a new feature called privacy auditing. As well as controlling which applications can access your camera and microphone, you'll also have a log showing the access history. And not just for your AV. You'll see which apps have accessed your screenshots, messages, and location data. That's great for spotting suspicious activity and keeping your sensitive data safe. The feature's still in testing. When it's released, you should find it under App Settings in your Privacy and Security menu. In the meantime, if you'd like someone to look over the data permissions of your business's devices, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.